If you live in the EU, the iPhone mirroring feature is not available on your Mac in your region, and you have probably seen this error message already. Luckily, there is a way to activate it and get access to iPhone mirroring on your Mac, even if you live in the European Union. In this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you how I was able to bypass the region lock to the iPhone mirroring feature in the EU. Some websites suggest changing the region on your computer to the United States, but unfortunately, this feature will still not be available because the iPhone mirroring lock is linked to your App Store account country and not to the region selected on your computer. All you have to do is change the country of your App Store account to the USA, not the region in the language and region section in settings. To do that, on your Mac, open Settings and click on your name. Then click on Media and Purchases, click Manage, and simply change the country of your App Store account to the United States of America. Then restart your machine. Note that if you have any active subscriptions on your Apple account, like Apple Music or iCloud Plus, or you have an outstanding money balance on your current Apple ID, you will not be able to change your App Store country because prices are different in the US and in Europe. But don't worry, there is still an easy solution for you too. All you have to do is simply create a second Apple ID and choose the country United States of America. You will then log out of your old App Store account only in Media and Purchases section and log in with your new American App Store account. This way, you will have two Apple accounts on your device. Your main Apple ID will be unchanged. Your device will still be linked to your normal Apple account, but only the App Store now will be linked to a different American Apple ID. And this will activate iPhone mirroring and even Apple Intelligence 2.0 on your device. Note that you have to log out of your old Apple ID on your iPhone in the App Store section as well. Once you will set your App Store account to the USA and not to one of the EU countries, you will bypass the region lock on the iPhone mirroring. Hope you got the idea. So now you can fully enjoy the iPhone mirroring on your Mac, even if you live in the EU. Note that when creating a new Apple ID, the system will ask you for an American credit card. You can choose None and choose not to add any bank details to your new account. Alternatively, you can choose PayPal as payment method for your new American Apple ID. This is what I did and it worked like magic. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching. Peace.